Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to close Microsoft account complete guide. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you log into your Microsoft account with username and password. After you have successfully logged into your Microsoft account, next thing you need to do is to come to the sidebar right here. Make sure you click on your info. Then it's going to take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to close account. So click on that. That's going to take you right here. Closing a Microsoft account means you won't be able to use it to sign into any of Microsoft products, services, including Outlook.com or Hotmail or OneDrive, Export, Skype, Office, etc. You can simply scroll down. When you close a Microsoft account for whatever reason, Microsoft wants to make sure of two things: that it is really you, not someone else trying to close your account, that you are not leaving anything important behind that you are needed later. If you sure, follow this step to close your account. Step 1, sign into you, start closing your account, then click on close account. So you can read on the rest of the step right here. Then next, note close account, you will need to be able to sign in. If you can't sign into your account, you can to your Microsoft account, use this signing app. If you forgot your account info and how to reset your security info, you must wait 60 days before closing your account. Secondly, if you are prompted to sign in or verify your account, follow the instruction, check that the page shows the correct account, and then click on next. Read the list and click on checkbox to acknowledge you have read at the time. Close. Then lastly, choose to have the reopen window set to 3 to 30 days. So you have about 7 steps to close your Microsoft account. Now, once you understand everything, click on close account right here. So click on close account. Then you'll be asked to verify your identity. So for you to do that, select the email. Then you will have to enter the alternative email address. So I'm going to simply enter my alternative email. Then the next thing I'm going to do right here is to simply click on send code. Then I have to go to my Yahoo mail right here. Then I will simply refresh my mail. Then here is the security code. So I'm going to simply click on it. Then I'll copy the security code. Control C to copy. Then I'll go back to my closing of account right here. I'll press Control V to paste. Then I'll click on verify. So right here, this particular account is ready to close. So you can simply scroll down right here. And then just in case you change your mind, we wait 60 days before we permanently close your account. During this time, the account is marked for closure, but still exists. To reopen your account during this time, you will need to prove your identity using your current account security info. Then the next thing you can click on here to change the time you want to choose. You can either choose 30 days or 60 days. I'm going to leave it in 60 days, just like so. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to come down below right here. I'll click on next. Then right here, you have this to be tick. You will lose access to all personal organization chat stored on MSN, Money, Skype, Messenger contact, etc. So before you can mark your account for closure, you must review and select the following checkbox to acknowledge that review each of the most common account closure effects. So simply check on them one after the other. So you will lose access to Outlook.com, Hotmail, and OneDrive. Click on that. You will also lose access to all end Microsoft certificates. Click on that. You will be unable to manage any software such as apps, games, services. Click on that. You will lose access to any digital games and subscription. Click on that. You will be unable to install or reinstall all music games. Click on that. You will lose access to some services on devices attached to the account. Click on that. Then your device using reset protection might become unusable. on that, then click on here also. I confirm that I understand after 60 days, the removable period will be permanently lose access to the site, services, and data associated with this Microsoft account. Click on that. Then you can come here and click on reason. So I'm combining Microsoft accounts. I use different Microsoft accounts. This account was hacked. I no longer want my any account anymore. So you can choose any of the reason why you want your account to be closed right here. So I'm using different Microsoft accounts. It's going to be my option. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on mark account for closure. You can reopen this account preventing the closure by signing it back within 60 days. Reopen, you will need to prove your identity using your current account security information. This account become unrecoverable 60 days after you close the account, meaning that you will be unable to reopen it. So the next thing you need to do is to simply click on done right here. The account has been fully closed without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.